Hey everybody, I'm back. We are doing a bunch of square root practice and a couple of cube roots. So we are going to look at, I'm going to skip the cube roots for the moment, and we're going to just focus on 6 and 7 right here. So we are going to be looking at, I got my little cheat sheet here. So we're looking for a square root of 89. So if I'm looking at my little cheat sheet, 89 is between the square root of 81 and 100. So it's between 9 and 10. So we've got 9 and 10 are my numbers. Square root of 81 is this one. Square root of 100 is this one. Now we're looking at 89. Obviously it's only 8 away. The number is only 8 away from 81 and it's 11 away from 100. So it's fairly close to in between. So when I'm doing my number line, I would do 9 here. I would do 10 here. And like I said, it is approximately halfway. So get your best but guess. A little bit closer to 9 than it is 10. And this would be where a square root of 89 would fall. Again, we're just doing some estimating, so this isn't exact. Nobody's gonna get you crazy, but kind of get an idea of where it's located. Now the square root of 55, if I'm looking at my perfect squares, 55 is between 49 and 64, which is between the numbers of 7 and 8. So the integers that it's between are between 7 and 8. And 7 times 7 is 49. 8 times 8 is 64. So again, if I'm looking at kind of where close, how close is one thing to another, I'm looking at 49, the difference between 49 and 55, that's only 6 away, right? If I do the difference between 55 and 64, you got a little bit more distance there with the distance between the two of them because that's going to be 9 away. So it's, 6 away from this, so it's a little bit closer to 7 than it is 8. And then on my number line, I'm going to put 7 here, 8 here. So like I said, it's 9 away here, it's 6 away here, so it's not quite halfway. It's about maybe right there-ish. So put that right there, and we'll put the square root of 55, and we're good to go as far as the estimating of this goes. Now, I got 2 more left on here, which I will do in just another video. These are actually cube roots, so that's why I kind of saved those for last. But if you want any of these other ones, the positive numbers and negative numbers, all of those good things, you can find them on my TikTok, my YouTube, and my Instagram at YouWantAlgebra. All of these are going to be found under the roots and exponents section.